Hi, this is Becky Ivins with Movers Real Estate, and today we're going to be talking about open houses. One of the most often asked questions when I go out on a listing appointment is, do I do open houses? Well, that answer is yes and no. Sometimes we do open houses, but I make it very clear as to why we do open houses. Open houses are something that actually works real well if you're in a gated community, and that's the only time you can get the gate open is when you do an open house. So literally prospective purchasers can't even drive by and look at the house firsthand unless the gate's open. So we will do an open house. Frankly, open houses are for the realtor's benefit. We get leads from our open houses. We get neighbors that come by that sometimes want to see what we do to market a home, kind of judging us as to how we market. So we sometimes get seller leads. Other times we get buyers who are interested in purchasing homes. We do open houses usually on vacant properties because we don't want to use some listing that we have that's occupied for our own benefit to gather leads. Other times it's really important to do an open house. Sometimes an open house will let someone walk into a backyard. Maybe there's a spectacular pool. There's a breeze that comes in off of a lake property, and it's important to experience that. So that's often in a gated neighborhood. So again, coming into a gated neighborhood, you almost have to hold a house open to get it viewed by prospective purchasers. One of the most unique reasons that we hold an open house is if we have a buyer that has come through an open house, we can tell that they're pretty interested in this house. We follow up and ask, can we show you the house? No, they do not want a realtor bird dogging them and following them through the house. So often I will call and have one of the agents in my office call and say, by the way, we're holding this house open on Sunday from 1 to 2 o'clock. It's just an hour, but if you have a chance, stop by and look at it. And so we'll hold an open house, frankly, for one person, and that one person is likely to be our buyer. Now, sometimes other folks stop by, and we end up picking up another buyer that may also be interested in the home. But open houses are a little bit old-fashioned as a regular way of doing business. We did open houses back when I started real estate, and we carried around a multi-list book with a little 1-inch picture that was black and white. No one could really get the feel for a house. Now, with all the photos we use online, it really is open house 24/7. You just go online, you can look at everything in the home. So, do we do open houses? Well, sometimes we do. Most of the time we don't. This is Becky Ivins. Thanks for tuning in to my video blog. We'll be back here next week with more to help show you how you can get the most out of your real estate professional. Call me with your questions. I'm at 722-3232 or send me an email. I'm here. I sell houses. I list houses. I negotiate offers. I want to provide services for you.